Hey everyone, welcome to English Through Life.
Welcome! This is the show where you learn English through real-life topics. Okay, today's topic is funny because I'm already yawning just thinking about it.
Perfect, because today we're talking about yawning, why we do it, and why it's contagious.
Wait, contagious like a cold? Like I can catch a yawn?
Yes, kind of. And by the end of this episode, you'll understand what scientists think is happening, plus you'll learn a few useful English words and a grammar pattern. Before we explain, let's learn 4 key words for today. Word 1, yawn. To yawn means to open your mouth wide and breathe in deeply, usually when you're tired or bored. Example, I yawn when I don't sleep enough. Word 2, contagious. Contagious means it spreads from one person to another. Example, yawning is contagious. I yawn when I see someone yawn. We'll explain soon. Word 3, trigger. A trigger is something that causes a reaction. Example, seeing someone yawn can be a trigger for yawning. Exactly. Word 4, signal. A signal is a sign or message that shows something is happening. Example, yawning may be a signal that the brain needs a reset. First, yawning is very common. Humans yawn, and many animals yawn too. Right. And yes, people often yawn when they're tired, but that's not the only time. People also yawn when they're bored, or even when they're nervous. Exactly. Some people yawn when they feel stress or pressure. Yes, that tells us yawning isn't just about sleep. It might have multiple reasons. Then, here's an important idea. Yawning might help your brain stay in a good state, more balanced and more alert. There are a few popular theories, but one simple way to say it is, yawning may help the brain reset. Yes, like a quick reset. When you yawn, you take a deeper breath, your face muscles move, and your body changes slightly. Exactly. And some researchers think yawning can also help with brain temperature, like cooling the brain slightly so it works better.
That's interesting. So yawning could help you feel more alert, not less.
Right. Even though yawning looks like I'm sleepy, it might actually support focus and attention in some situations. Consequently, let's talk about the most interesting part, why yawning is contagious. Exactly. And hearing someone talk about yawning can also be a trigger. Same. So, why does it spread? One strong idea is that contagious yawning is connected to social behavior. Yes, humans are social. We copy each other's actions without thinking. For example, smiling, laughing, and even body posture. Exactly. Some scientists think contagious yawning could be related to empathy, meaning we sync with people around us. Right. It could be a way the group matches energy levels, like everyone getting on the same rhythm. Exactly. And remember, we don't have one perfect answer, but these ideas help explain why yawning happens and why it spreads. Now it's time for our language spotlight, a quick English tip. Today's pattern is it might or it may. We use might or may when we are not 100% sure, when something is possible. Exactly. Here are 3 examples from today. Yawning might help the brain reset. Yawning may help you stay alert. Contagious yawning might be connected to social connection. Yes, it's perfect for explaining theories and possibilities. Let's recap in 3 quick points. People yawn when they're tired, bored, or nervous. Yawning might help the brain reset and stay alert. Yawning is contagious, possibly because humans copy and connect socially.
All right, 2 questions for you, listeners.
Question 1. When do you yawn the most? Morning, afternoon, or night? Question 2. Is yawning contagious for you? If you see someone yawn, do you yawn too?
Answer in the comments if you're watching on YouTube, or message us if you're listening to the podcast.
Thanks for listening to English Through Life. If this episode helped you, follow or subscribe for more English through real-life topics.
And next time, we'll explain another everyday mystery in clear, simple English.